Now in our next exercise, we will model this hexagon tessellation. First, we need to create the boundary lines, each 80 mm. We draw a horizontal line and a vertical line. Then we use the array function. We select the object we want to replicate, so that would be the horizontal line, and the object path is the vertical line. Now press M, choose divide, and then press I, enter. Then for our number of items, we have 9, since we have 9 horizontal lines. Next, we turn on polar tracking. We pick 30, 60, 90, so that we can snap to angles which measure 60 degrees. Then we create a long line inclined at 60 degrees. Now this is so that we can ensure that this line will exceed the boundaries of the square. And then we want to mirror this line with the vertical axis of symmetry. And so we move the initial line to the point where the mirrored line intersects the boundary of the square. And then we trim the excess lines. We use the array function, choose path, select the object. The object is the left inclined line. Then our object path is the right inclined line. Press M, then enter, choose divide, then input I, enter. The number of items will be 9. And then we select the whole thing, mirror, and then choose a vertical axis of symmetry. After which, we just trim the unnecessary lines. And then we'll add our dimensions.